Well, half of the country will be struggling for access to even basic health infrastructure. But for rape convict Ram Rahim, he is getting VIP treatment in a government hospital in Haryana's Rohtak. Now, the government hospital had set up a full panel of physicians and cardiologists for the self-styled government and even checked him up in a separate private room. The hospital's medical superintendent has justified it, saying that Ram Rahim was accompanied by a lot of policemen and hence they expedited this treatment by forming a team. Now, she said that they were informed by jail authorities that Ram Rahim had low blood pressure, but when they did a checkup, his blood pressure was just fine.
खबर मिली कि बाबा गुरमीत जो हैं उनकी तबीयत कुछ ख़राब है और जेल अथॉरिटीज़ ने हमें बताया कि उनका ब्लड प्रेशर थोड़ा सा नीचे की तरफ है। जब हमारी टीम गई थी तब भी उनके स्वास्थ्य ठीक था, उनका ब्लड प्रेशर, जो उनका हार्ट रेट था, पल्स रेट था, वो सब ठीक था। कि जैसे कि वो जेल से आ रहे थे और ऐसे में अगर हम आम जनता की तरह उनको हर जगह घुमाना शुरू करें तो ये हमारी पब्लिक के लिए, हमारे डॉक्टर्स के लिए, हमारी पेशेंट्स और उनके रिश्तेदारों के लिए ही और एक अड़चन पैदा हो सकती थी। ऐसे में क्योंकि ऐसे कन्विक्ट के साथ हमेशा पुलिस साथ चलती है और ऐसे में अगर हम उनको जगह जगह पे अगर भेजेंगे तो ये हम लोगों के लिए ही तकलीफ़ थी और आम जनता के लिए। ये सब सोचते हुए हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना उनको एक कमरे में रख के और वहीं पर ही सभी डॉक्टर्स को दिखा दिया जाए ताकि थोड़े समय में और हम उनका ये कर दें, टेस्ट करवा। सभी के लिए पैनल नहीं बनाते क्योंकि आपको भी पता है ये किस कैटेगरी में आते हैं, कैसी है। कहने का मतलब ये कन्विक्ट बहुत है, आपको भी पता है, इसके पीछे पूरा प्रशासन, पूरा पुलिस फोर्स लगा हुआ था। अभी जब आपने देखा जैसे कि ये आए, पूरा पुलिस प्रशासन इनके साथ लगा हुआ है इनकी सिक्योरिटी के लिए।
ये मामला मेरे संज्ञान में नहीं है, मेरे अधिकार क्षेत्र में भी नहीं है और ये चीज़ें एक तो यहाँ पर पुलिस का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहता है सुरक्षा के दृष्टिकोण से, एक जेल महकमे का इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहता है ऊपर से कहाँ किसको क्या ट्रीटमेंट कहाँ मिलनी है, और एक जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उनका रहता है कि किस व्यक्ति को कैसी ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए और वो कहाँ पे उपलब्ध है। तो मैं इस बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने की स्थिति में नहीं हूँ।
Okay, my colleague Gurpreet joins us for more on this. Gurpreet, at a time when people are struggling to get a bed, here you have your own private hospital almost to your disposal for especially a man who is a rape convict, no less.
Well, yes, of course, that if we can go into detail of this rapist Ram Rahim, Gurmeet Ram Rahim's treatment and especially the VVIP treatment which is given by the administration there in Rohtak, a lot of questions are being raised over the state government. One side, the Home Minister of the state, Anil Vij, he has already categorically stated that there should not be disturbance in the treatment of a common man, even when VIP are visiting the hospital. At the same time, we have seen the whole administration was into that to give a VVIP treatment. At the same time, we have seen for the last so many days a lot of hue and cry by a common man, Aam Aadmi, to get whether it's oxygen, medicine or some medical equipment from the state. And the state is already grappling with a lot of problems to fight with COVID-19 cases. At that point time, the administration, they had given a special VVIP treatment to who is a rapist who has been convicted in a case. And moreover, that medical superintendent, she said, categorically stated that it's only arrangements made for him, not for the other convicts. So this statement is putting a lot of question mark over the local administration as well as the Haryana government, that why this VVIP treatment is being given to him at this point of time, at the critical point when a lot of people, they are suffering from a lot of problems and they are trying to get bed in the hospital. A special room has been set up for him. A panel of doctors have been made for him to give him treatment. And moreover, that what we have learned from the sources there, that he has only blood pressure problem. Only for blood pressure, a lot of arrangements have been made. So even the medical superintendent, she said that from the administration side that there was a lot of pressure because he's a known figure. So that's why this VVIP treatment is being given. But now the question is why the Haryana is having the double standard at this point of time. time. The people who have been suffering, why they are not able to provide them such type of treatment the way they had provided to one of the convicts who has been convicted in a rape case. So these all points are being raised over the Haryana government's intention, that why the Haryana, what was the deal for Haryana government, what was the compulsion for the Haryana government to give him VVIP treatment.
Well, that is true, Gurpreet. What exactly was the compulsion here? And just for our viewers, this is not the first time that Gurmeet Ram Rahim has been accused of receiving special treatment, of receiving special VVIP treatment. In fact, these allegations have also continued in the treatment that he's being handed out in jail.
Well, yes, of course, that if we can remember those days, he was airlifted and he has given a special treatment even when he was convicted in a case. And after that, we have seen multiple times that favors are being given by the Haryana government. And what we have learned from the sources, that vote bank politics is behind this thing. So it seems that Haryana government is trying to please Gurmeet Ram Rahim at this point of time to just woo the voters from his sect, because he was heading a sect at that time. So, but now he is supposed to treat like other convicts. So the way this VVIP treatment is being given by the Haryana government, it had put a lot of question mark over the intention of Haryana government. Haryana government is still thinking about the vote bank, but at the same time they are not thinking about the health of a common man. They are not supporting the common man Aam Aadmi to get a good treatment the way he has got. As the Haryana government made all the arrangements, it would have got a lot of accolades from the people. We have seen that deaths are reporting day by day. Death toll has been increased in the state. So point of time, a lot of questions are being raised over the Haryana government. What was the compulsion for the government to give this VVIP
Gurpreet,
treatment?
I apologize. I'm so sorry. Gurpreet, just stay with us, Gurpreet. Raman Malik of the BJP joins us for his reaction to the story. Gurpreet, I'll be back to you in just a minute. But Mr. Malik, you've heard the story that we've brought our viewers here, that a rape convict, Ram Rahim, is receiving special treatment for blood pressure issues. He has his own private hospital of sorts where he's checked up by a posse of top doctors in a separate room at a time when the people in this country are not even getting a single bed. Out of sheer desperation, they're falling at the feet of their leaders. Can we even justify this?
See, first of all, I would not, say that your report is factually correct for the status in Haryana, because Haryana is the first state in the nation which started with the idea of giving oxygen cylinders at the doorstep. And the mechanism, the way we are doing things. My chief minister is visiting each and every place. Every district has been reached by the chief minister, by the health minister. So probably, I do not know whether there's some bias or whether it is just a sheer coincidence that you report things like this. But on the onset, let me tell you something about this whole Ram Rahim thing. It's a high-profile case where most of the accused, the accused has been accused of so many heinous crimes. Now, a little laxity where the accused may be cordoned off or maybe, let's say, goes away because of some health issue will not serve the purpose of justice to the people who are grieved. We as a government are duty bound to make sure that this particular convict, this particular accused, has to be protected in every manner so that he reaches the course of natural justice, and people who are grieved for over years have or should get all possible justice that they deserve. Now, understand this. It is most important for the state.
Well, Mr. Malik, I take your point. But Yes, but I don't think justice is exactly served when a rape convict is getting the special treatment. A red carpet is rolled out for him at a hospital at a time when, every single doctor, every single bed counts. And that also, he wasn't even ill. It was just a minor blood pressure problem, which they checked and found out that he didn't even have that. So it was a question of priorities. And clearly, in this case, a priority of a rape convict or to prioritize his health, even if it is a minor scare, is far more important for the government and the authorities. Mr. Malik, thank you for joining us. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave it there. We have some breaking news coming in.